Hello guys, welcome back to Enterclimate, a leading environmental consultancy. I am Diksha Ketani and today I'll be talking about establishing sanitary napkin business in India. So keep watching the video till the end. Let's begin without a further delay. Over time, the MHAI has evaluated that there are around 336 million menstruating women in India, out of which 36% uses disposable sanitary napkins. That sums up to 1 to 1 million women. Now, suppose a woman uses 8 disposable pads during one cycle. A simple calculation indicates that approximately 1 billion sanitary pads are used annually. The count represents the widening scope of the sanitary napkin businesses in India. Well, the definition of sanitary waste is included in the Solid Waste Management Rules 2016. Introduced by CPCB, the SWM rules define dry waste as any waste other than biodegradable waste. It also includes inert street sweepings and non-recyclable and recyclable waste, diapers, sanitary napkins, combustible waste, etc. Furthermore, sanitary waste implies waste including used sanitary napkins or towels, diapers, tampons, incontinence sheets, condoms and other similar waste. Thus, in July 2018, the central government introduced tax exemptions on tampons and sanitary napkins to promote the use of menstrual hygiene products. The step made the menstrual hygiene products more affordable and accessible to many. This was indeed a welcome move for the sanitary pad company in India. You might have heard of Johnson & Johnson and P&G. Yes, these are some of the prominent names emerging as the best sanitary pad manufacturing company in India. The major problem to be confronted by the owners of sanitary napkin business in India. Although lucrative, but the option of setting up a sanitary napkin business in India comes with its own challenges. One of the challenges is effective disposal of used sanitary pads or tampons. India has 12.3 billion disposable sanitary napkins to take care of annually. Shockingly, the majority of these used pads are not compostable or biodegradable. That said, sanitary waste disposal has become an unavoidable problem in India. The reason is the plastic used in disposable sanitary napkins is not biodegradable. Thus, in return, it leads to environmental and health hazards. The effect is more noticeable due to the poor community disposal, collection and transport networks in the villages and cities. Besides, unorganized ways of municipal solid waste management and other factors that pose a challenge to the growth of sanitary pad company in India. To combat the problem, to some extent, SWM rules were introduced. Besides defining the waste, the rules explain the responsibility of local authorities, waste generators and gram panchayats and producers at the sanitary pad manufacturing company in India. All these roles and responsibilities are explained in detail in the following sections. Now let us quickly understand the duties of manufacturers or brand owners of disposable products and diapers and sanitary napkins in India. Number 1. All brand owners involved in the sanitary napkin business who market or sell the product in the non-biodegradable packaging material must put a system to gather back the packaging waste produced due to their manufacturing. Number 2. All manufacturers of disposable products, including products in the market, must offer financial help to the local authorities to set up the waste management system. Number 3. All such brand owners, manufacturers or marketing companies must educate the masses on the disposal and wrapping up of their products. Number 4. Brand owners, manufacturers or marketing firms of the diapers and sanitary pad company in India must explore the likelihood of using all recyclable materials in their products. If not, they shall give a wrapper or pouch for disposable of each diaper or napkin along with a packet of sanitary products. This section of the video now describes the market overview of the sanitary napkin business in India. The Indian sanitary napkin market touched US dollar 618.4 million worth in 2021. Looking at the statistics, reports anticipated the market to touch US dollar 1,185 million by 2027, thereby exhibiting a CAGR of 11.31% during 2022 to 2027. Now let me tell you about the import of sanitary pads in India. In addition to promote the sanitary napkin business, the government also relies on the import of raw materials. Unfortunately, India lacks most of the raw materials for making quality sanitary napkins. Hence, the import is only option available. But import duties of up to 10% are imposed on the raw materials required for producing sanitary pads. In addition, there is also an IGST which all adds to the overall product's cost. Thus, the country imports most of its sanitary napkins from China. Okay, so now let us discuss the documents and licenses required. These are factory registration, BIS IS 5405, IEC trade license, EPR trademark registration, applicable QMS standards ISO 9001 minimum, CGWA NOC, ISO 10993, 5 and 10 and ISO 105 C10 2006 textiles, CTE and CTU. Coming to the end of the video, it won't be wrong to say that indeed India has many menstruating women who must get sanitary napkins for their disposal, but the nation already has around 12.3 billion disposal sanitary napkins to take care of annually. In addition, the majority of these are not compostable or biodegradable. Thus, there should be exemptions for reusable menstrual products too, so that more and more menstruators can opt for the change. This will also boost the establishment of a recyclable sanitary napkin business in India. So, this was all about sanitary napkin business. In case of any queries, feel free to reach us by contacting on the details being shown on your screens below. If you found the video interesting, don't forget to like and share it. Also, do subscribe our channel and ring the bell icon for more such informative content. Thank you.